Surely the Friday, the day before, Chris could pop in and sit on Chris's little spot right here, Chris. We can tempt you back.
I would love it to be there. Just put my name on the seat.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's a hit, Chris.
Well, Chris, you get your people to pull out people. We'll see if it can happen.
Are you up for it, Chris? Come on, I'm being serious. Come in and see us on Friday. Anyway, we'll get that ball.
I'll be there.
Good man. We'll get that ball rolling and we'll get you on the top.
And just like magic, look who is here! It's Chris from Ghana. He's real. He's real, Clinton. He's a real human. He's not just on our screens.
Hey, it's true to his word, he came.
Chris, it's so good to see you, my friend. You've been watching Fan Zone for years, and here you are. Thank you so much for popping in to see us. How long are you over for? Because you're coming over for the Villa game on Sunday.
Yeah, definitely, I'm going to be at the Villa game.
Yeah. But you're not. You didn't go to the Bayern Munich game.
No,
Yeah,
I couldn't get a ticket too much.
What did you make of that? An incredible match, wasn't it? And you knew Harry Kane was going to score.
And I knew it definitely because it's something that happens with Arsenal. Any player who plays against Arsenal and scores, it's something that happens. Like Didier Drogba, Joe Cole, those players. So I was very sure that we were going to beat them 3-1, but Harry Kane is going to score.
Yeah.